right kidney and this is left kidney. This is superior renal capsule and inferior renal capsule, renal cortex, renal pyramid, renal papilla, renal medulla, and this is renal column. This is renal vein. This is stone. This is right kidney and this is left kidney. This is axial image. This is right kidney and this is left kidney. Renal vein, renal artery. This is abdominal aorta and this is liver. Right kidney, left kidney. Connection to minor calyx, major calyx and minor calyx. Right kidney, left kidney, renal pelvis, right ureter, left ureter, and this is urinary bladder. This is renal pelvis, right ureter, left ureter, and this is urinary bladder. Orbital cavity, frontal sinus, cristagalli, nasal bone, nasal septum, anterior ethmoid cell, posterior ethmoid cell, sphenoid sinus, lamina patriciea, right, left, lens, globe, medial rectus, optic nerve, lateral rectus, superior orbital fissure, sphenoid bone, sphenoisquamous suture, medial canial fossa, right, left, nasal bone, nasal septum, ethmoid cell, pterygoplatin fossa, right, left, pterygomaxillary fissure, foramen rotundum, sphenoid sinus, infratemporal fossa, carotid canal, right, left, petrooccipital fissure, right, left, external auditory canal, right, left, medial turbinate, right, left, maxillary sinus, right, left, Vidian canal, foramen oval, foramen aspanism, carotid canal, foramen lacerum, petrooccipital fissure, right, left, mandibular condyle, zygomatic arch, nasolacrimal duct, right, left, medial turbinate, maxillary sinus, right, left, pterygomaxillary fissure, pterygoid, clivus, mandibular condyle, right, left, carotid canal, right, left, occipitomastoid suture, nasal septum, inferior turbinate, right, left, maxillary sinus, infraorbital foramen, right, left, Böhmer bone, nasopharynx, pterygoid plate, platin bone, mandible, styloid process, occipital condyle, right, left, styloid process, right, left, mandible, nasopharynx, pterygoid plate, right, left, বোমের বোন, atlant occipital joint, right, left, odontoid apex, nasopharynx, বোমের বোন, inferior turbinate, right, left, maxillary sinus, greater palatine foramen, anterior nasal spine, heart plate, right, left, maxillary sinus, nasopharynx, and nasopalatin foramen. Human have two lungs, right lung and left lung. The right lung has three lobes: upper lobe, middle lobe, and lower lobe. By the two fissure, horizontal fissure and oblique fissure. The left lung have two lobes, upper lobe and lower lobe. By the oblique fissure. The right lung subdivided into 3 lobes and 10 segments. The left lung subdivided into 2 lobes and 8 segments. We can see here this segment. This is upper lobe, middle lobe and lower lobe. Upper lobe has 3 segments: apical, posterior, anterior. Middle lobe have 2 segments: lateral and medial segment. Lower lobe has 5 segments: superior segment, medial basal segment, anterior basal segment, lateral basal segment, and posterior basal segment. This is left lung segments. 1+2 apicoposterior segment, 3 anterior segment, 4 superior lingular segment, 5 inferior lingular segment. This is upper lobe segment and these lower lobe segments. 7+8 anteromedial segment, 9 lateral basal segment, 10 posterior basal segment, and 6 superior basal segment. Trachea, MF, major fissure. B bronchus, B1 apical segment of bronchus, right upper lobe. B3 anterior segment of bronchus, right upper lobe. B3 anterior segment of bronchus, right upper lobe. B2 posterior segment of bronchus, right upper lobe. RMB right middle bronchus. MF major fissure. B1+2 apicoposterior segment of bronchus, left upper lobe. LMB left middle lobe. B3 anterior segment of bronchus, right upper lobe. RMB right middle bronchus. B3 anterior segment of bronchus, left upper lobe. B1+2 apicoposterior segment of bronchus, left upper lobe. LMB left middle lobe. VI bronchus intermedius. B6 superior segment of bronchus, right lower lobe. LI lingular left upper lobe. B6 superior segment of bronchus, left lower lobe. B5 medial segment of bronchus, right middle lobe. B4 lateral segment of bronchus, right middle lobe. LLB lower lobe bronchus, right. LLB lower lobe bronchus, left. B7 medial basal segment of bronchus, right lower lobe. B8 anterior basal segment of bronchus, right lower lobe. B9 lateral basal segment of bronchus, right lower lobe. B10 posterior basal segment of bronchus right lower lobe. B8 anteromedial basal segment of bronchus left lower lobe. B9 lateral basal segment of bronchus left lower lobe. B10 posterior basal segment of bronchus left lower lobe.